Today's review will take us to Cave Falls and Sheep Creek Falls, located at the southwestern corner of Yellowstone National Park. To access this region, you will take 1400 north out of Ashton, Idaho, eastbound until it turns into Cave Falls Road. You will continue east until arriving at Cave Falls, which is just inside Yellowstone National Park and requires a National Park Pass or entry fee. Then backtrack the way you came, outside of the national park, and descend to Sheep Creek Falls. After enjoying the scenery, return the way you came in. The entire route took us approximately 3.5 hours. 1400 North is mostly pavement and eventually transforms into an excellent graded road known as Cave Falls Road. However, by the time we were on it, we faced mild corrugations or washboards, and there were potholes that would come out of nowhere deep enough to be a risk for low-clearance SUVs, let alone a sedan. For that reason, I would rate this road as a 2, but in theory it should only be a 1 depending on the maintenance. If you go slow enough, you should be able to avoid the potholes regardless. Despite those miles of graded dirt road, once you hit the national park boundary and into some NPS funding, you are awarded with a smooth, oiled, and asphalt road up to the Cave Falls picnic area. This area is a great stop for lunch, as it is furnished with the standard fare of fire pits, barbecue grills, and picnic tables. The drop through Sheep Creek Falls, on the other hand, is less maintained, a bit steeper, narrower, and loose. Other than maneuvering through some trees, the biggest obstacle is a steep portion that is rocky and loose, typical of western U.S. forest roads. I would rate it as a difficult 2 or an easy 3. Low range is recommended, but I'm pretty confident a Jeep Renegade or other non-low range off-road biased SUV could make easy work of this portion of the trail. The Sheep Creek portion of the trail has 2 major viewing areas. The first is where the trees open up on the beautiful Falls River. Once you have enjoyed the view and taken pictures, follow the trail to the east, where you will be rewarded with a drive next to the river dotted with rocky outcroppings, and if you're lucky enough, these will be decorated with beautiful wildflowers. Eventually, the road will end at Sheep Creek Falls, which, despite not being in the national park, is definitely one of the hidden treasures of the region and worth the entire trip. So if you are looking for an easy backcountry type experience on your trip to Yellowstone and have a capable SUV, consider Sheep Creek and Cave Falls. As for myself, I can't wait to get back.